Hi, this is Melanie. Welcome back. Today, in a few minutes, I am going to show you how to make this braised salmon steaks. So start out, I'm going to use about a tablespoon, half a tablespoon or tablespoon of regular sugar. I usually add water, but this is optional. I bring it to let the sugar kind of dissolve, and then I add a little bit of oil, maybe like a teaspoon, a half a teaspoon, and let it go for a little bit. Not this long because I was video and it was a little too long, but get it right in a nice caramel color. Set it aside, and then while you prepare your meat, here I have two salmon steak about 2 inches and about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of sugar, and about a quarter tablespoon of salt. I'm going to use some coconut water to get the sweetness. You can use either coconut soda or water. I'm using coconut soda and about a cup. You can use two. It doesn't matter. Just cut down the water down. And also I add about a tablespoon of chicken powder and a couple of tablespoons of fish sauce. I'm running out of fish sauce. Uh-oh. And I fill it up to cover the fish level. That's about a cup of water. Depends on how big your pot is, so use it, adjust it a little bit. Bring it to a boil and then clean, remove some of these stuff out, and then turn the heat down to medium so that this little brown stuff doesn't rise to the top anymore. This is about half an hour later. I just flip this over and let the other half kind of seep the sauce seep it into the meat. In the meantime, I went outside and got me some green onions. You don't have to use 3 stalks. 1 stalk is good. I'm just overboard with this green onion. So cut them up and set them aside when the sauce is kind of like bubblies, which means it's caramelized up. It's a time to add some green onion, and this is also optional. I love it. So this is time to add it if you like it. Turn off the heat and give it a little bit of black pepper, and that is it. The sauce is a little caramel and thick, not too thick, but it's kind of a little thick. I hope you can see that. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this quick recipe paired with rice. And I can't think of anything else, but rice, white jasmine rice is all I usually eat with. The kids love this. I love it. I hope you give it a try and hit thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future Vietnamese, Asian, home cook, gardening, and more. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.